We have followed this with a grant for the establishment of a postgraduate university at Konza, the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, and it will help produce the highly qualified scientists and engineers who will transform our country. Fellow Kenyans, I understand that you want to have more disposable income to be able to meet your family's needs. I am aware the workers on lower income brackets are indeed struggling to afford basic necessities, and it is not fair that they should be taxed heavily. Over the last 2 years, my administration has progressively increased the tax bracket and has cut tax rates for workers on lower income brackets. Today, under the new finance bill, taxable income, minimum taxable income is Kenya shillings 13,475, meaning that anybody earning that and below shall no longer be applicable to pay tax. Workers, again, your dedication and hard work is appreciated by a grateful nation. And we understand your daily struggles too, and are working hard to tackle these challenges. We know that for 2 straight years, we have not increased the minimum wage